Nowadays, pure HTML can achieve things that used to require JavaScript, and the autocomplete search input is a perfect example. Let's see how this simple trick using just for tags saves developers time. First, let's create a data list with a few options for the user to choose from. Of course, in a more professional scenario, these options would be mapped from a database, and if you are curious how to use the map method, here is a quick tutorial, but for this example, I'm going to hard code some options here. You can add as many as you like, but pay attention to step 1. We need to give this data list a unique ID. Next, we'll create our input. It needs a few key attributes. First, type =search. Then, a placeholder like type to search. Now for the magic. We connect the input to our data list using the list attribute, setting its value to the ID we created earlier. In this case is framework list. Finally, we'll give the input its own ID so we can link it to a label. Let's name it frameworks. Add a label with for = frameworks, type a quick title, and voila, a fully working autocomplete input built with pure HTML.